Good morning. I am Dr. K. Sumati, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Economics. I am working in K.C. Kostner College of Arts and Science. Today I discuss the topic of low agriculture productivity. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the life of an economy. It is the backbone of our economic system. Agriculture not only provides food and raw material but also employment opportunity in a very large proportion of population. But the condition of Indian agriculture still largely remains backward. It is considered as the backbone of Indian economy. Agricultural productivity, which is composed of both productivity of land and labor as well, is among the lowest in the world. Average yield per hectare in India is quite below the world average in all crops. It is much lower as compared with even the yield rates prevailing the less advanced countries of the world. Causes of low agriculture productivity in India. The causes of low agriculture productivity in India can be divided into three broad categories, namely general factors, institutional factors, and technological factors. Causes of low agricultural productivity in India. General factors. In the general factors, the following reasons for low agriculture productivity in India. First one, socio-economic factors. Various socio-economic factors like farmers' conservative outlook, ignorance, illiteracy, superstition, etc. stands in the way of adoption of modern technology in Indian agriculture. Lack of adequate finance. Indian agriculture still remains backward due to its inadequate financial provisions. In recent times, farmers had to depend much on village money lenders. They charge high rate of interest. This is also a reason for low agricultural productivity. Next one, lack of productive investment. This is nearly absence of productive investment in the Indian agriculture, as the investment in land is found to be less attractive than the alternative investments like jewelry, trade, and money lending. This is also adds up to one of the causes for low agriculture productivity in India. Overcrowding in agriculture. The increasing pressure of population on land is an important demographic factor responsible for low yielding in agriculture. Hence, agriculture sector have become overcrowded and this has adversely affected the agricultural productivity. Discouraging rural atmosphere. The Indian farmers living in rural areas are generally tradition bound, illiterate, ignorant, superstitious, and conservative. Their attitude of apathy and neglect keep the system of cultivation primitive. The farmers are not prepared to accept anything new as a consequence, which modernization of agriculture becomes difficult. Inadequate non-farm services. Shortage of finance, marketing, and storage facilities are also the responsible for agriculture backwardness in India. The cooperative and other institutional agencies have not been able to eliminate the village money lenders. Storage facilities for farmers are not still available to preserve their agriculture produce for a better price. Last one, natural calamities. Indian agriculture is a gamble in the monsoon. If the monsoon becomes favorable, we have a good crop. Otherwise, agriculture is affected by flood, cyclone, etc. Another causes of low agriculture productivity in India is institutional factors. First one, small size of holdings. The average size of agriculture holdings in India is very small and uneconomic, even less than 2 hectares. Besides, the agriculture holding in India are fragmented too. With such uneconomic and fragmented holdings, no scientific cultivations with improved implements, seeds, etc. are ever possible. This has resulted in low yielding in agriculture. Defective pattern of land tender. Land tender system in India is totally defective and it is standing in the way of its agriculture development. The cultivators have to pay high rents to the landlords, but the landlords not interested in the development of lands. So this is the reason for low agriculture productivity in India. Another causes of low agricultural productivity in India is technological factor. First one, poor techniques of production. The techniques of production adopted by Indian farmers is old, outdated and inefficient. The traditional born poor farmers have not yet been able to adopt the modern methods of technology to use their land. The seeds they are used very poor quality. The farmers do not enjoy the benefits of agricultural research and development programs. Therefore, production remains at a low level. Next one, lack of high yielding seeds. Indian farmers are still applying seeds of indifferent quality. They have no sufficient financial ability to purchase good quality of high yield varieties of seeds. The supply of seeds also minimum in the country. Thus, the farmers are mostly applying old varieties of seeds, so the agriculture productivity will decrease. Scanty use of fertilizer. The Indian farmers are not applying sufficient quantity of fertilizers on their lands. Poor cultivators cannot afford to purchase costly chemical fertilizers for applying on their lands. Therefore, the agriculture productivity is low level. Next one, inadequate irrigation facilities. Indian agriculture is still suffering from lack of assured and controlled water supply through artificial irrigation in facilities. Thus, Indian farmers have to depend much upon rainfall, which is neither regular nor even. Therefore, in absence of assured and controlled water supply, the agricultural productivity in India is low. Next one, lack of agricultural research. Agricultural research in India still very poor in comparison to its requirements. This is the one of the reason for low agricultural productivity in India. Remedial measures to raise agricultural productivity in India. The backwardness of agriculture sector and a low agricultural productivity are the two main important problems of the Indian economy. For improving the conditions of agriculture sector and for raising the agricultural productivity in India, the following measures should be taken. First one, consolidation of holding. Consolidation of holding is the first step towards the modernization of Indian agriculture, and this should be done immediately by enacting proper legislation record in this record. Uneconomic small farms should be properly consolidated and small fragmented holdings should also be consolidated by cooperative farming societies. Second one, overcoming natural factors. Proper steps should be taken to overcome various problems of agriculture resulting from natural factors. All these factors, including extensive flood control measures, creation of adequate irrigation facilities, etc. Third one, application of modern techniques. Indian farmers should apply modern techniques of cultivation by utilizing modern implements, high yield varieties of seeds, scientific crop rotations, and careful crop planning. Agriculture research should be carefully intensified and its results should be made available to the Indian farmers. Providing credits. There should be provision of cheap credit on, on reasonable terms, especially in small farmers for better techniques of the production. Next one, providing inputs etc. at reasonable price. The modern inputs like fertilizers, pesticides and improved seeds should be made available to the farmers at reasonable price. Educating the farmers. There should be provision of education, research and extension of agroeconomic services to spread the knowledge of improved methods of farming. Next one, human development. For the improvement of agricultural productivity in India, the quality of farmers should be improved and they should be imported with adequate general and technical education. Adequate public health measures should also be undertaken in rural areas. Next one, economic measures. Economic measures should be adopted in order to make the Indian agriculture more remunerative. Proper steps must be taken for the improvement of farm organization and land management. Besides, steps must be taken for the establishment of different types of agro-based industries in rural areas. Provisions should also be made for adequate credit facilities and marketing facilities. Moreover, the government must introduce minimum price support policy, guarantee minimum prices of the agricultural product and implement crop insurance scheme to cover the various risks in agriculture. Last one, providing of fair price. The farmers should be provided with the stable price for their agricultural products at a remunerative level. These are the important measures to raise the agricultural productivity in India. Thank you.